Hi, I'm going to show you how to modify a style in Microsoft Word. If you've ever created your own style, then this will look very similar. But even if you haven't, this will show you how to modify a style to suit your needs. So the first thing you need to do to modify a style is to open the Styles panel. So you can do this in two ways. You can either click this here, and that opens right there like that. Or you can do Alt+Ctrl+Shift+S and it opens just as easily. In this list, you want to find the style that you want to modify. So I want to modify this one, my hints, because right now you can see I have a hint here. To modify it, you need to click on this arrow here, click on that, and then click modify. Okay, now we have the modify style window open. I don't need to change the name, I don't need to change the style type, and I'm happy with it being based on no style. So what I do want to change, I'm not going to change the font, but I am going to change the size. I'm going to change it to size 14. And I am going to change the color. So I'm going to change the color to this blue. And I also think I want to indent this a little bit. I think it would be nice if it was in a little bit from this side as well. So to change that, I'm going to click on this format down the bottom and choose paragraph. So now you can see the indentation. I have just the left indent, and I want to match the right indent so that it's a little bit nicer. So 1.27. Okay. And I also want to change the spacing. So I'm going to change that to 10 points. So I'm happy with everything here. I'm going to click on this line and page breaks tab. Yeah, I just want to make sure that the lines are being kept together because I don't want one line of my hint to be on one page and one line to be on the other page. I'm going to click OK in this paragraph box. So that's definitely looking better, but I still want it to stand out a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is click on Format again, and I'm going to click on Border. And here I'm going to add a little bit of a border. I just want a top border and a bottom border. So I'm going to click OK. And now you can see that it's looking like this. So I think that that's about all I need to do to this style to modify it. So I'm going to click OK. And you can see that's my hint now. So that is how you modify a style in Microsoft Word.